Hey, how are you? It's your Jaguar sales guide here at Jaguar Land Rover of Kelowna, and I'm sitting inside a 2017 Jaguar F Pace S, and I'm going to show you guys today how to use the self-park feature on your vehicle. So the self-park mode is very straightforward to use if you've been shown. But sometimes what happens is either your salesperson was too busy to show you, or it's been a while, or you simply want to get a better grasp of what a Jaguar vehicle can afford you in terms of luxury and safety, and you need to see it for yourself. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So the first thing you want to do is you just come over here to the Park Assist icon, press Park Assist, and then it's going to ask you if you want to do parallel park or perpendicular park. So in this case I'm going to do perpendicular. Then it's going to give me some screen information here. It says searching, so we're just going to drive forward here a little bit. Just letting you know it is going to search on the right hand side, on the passenger side, unless you use the turn signal indicator to hit left. There we go, it's found a space. So it's going to ask me to drive forward. Just follow the instructions. So if at any time during the Park Assist you start to grab the wheel, it will cancel Park Assist. Okay, select reverse. I'm going to put it in reverse mode. It's going to do the cameras here. All I have to do is take my foot off the brake. If you're going to notice, I'm not touching the wheel. I've got my information right there. Always watching. And just take your foot off the brake as it kind of glides you in here. It's going to give you another command, so you can hear that that audible cue. It says to shift into drive. So that was the car doing it, not myself. Driving forward with care. Kind of see that's shifting into reverse. Just taking my hands. I do not have my hands on the wheel, as you can see. And then just over here, rear collision warning is detected. I'm just going to have to give a little bit of throttle just to get back in here. So you are responsible for the braking and the acceleration. The car does the turning. Park Assist is now complete, and hopefully you have now been inspired to own one of these beautiful vehicles. My name is Eduardo Aragon. I'm your Jaguar Land Rover sales guide here in the sunny Okanagan at Jaguar Land Rover of Kelowna. Come see us at our new location beside the Specialty Bakery across from Porsche on Highway 97 North in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia. Have a great day, everybody.